if a sheep can shed its own wool, it's better that it's rude. Shetlanders knew this long ago.
Oh, yep, it's coming on your leg.
Okay, here we go. It's all part of the deal.
Fur making is just part of our Shetland heritage, and it's part of what makes West who we are. There's no doubt about it, that making just as good for the body and the mind.
I've also come to the conclusion that knitting is one hobby and buying patterns and yarns is a separate hobby. So as soon as I started, it was like I just fell in love with it. I was like, I need to be knitting for that. I just loved it. I was so excited because Wool Week's just my favourite time of year.
Yeah.
It's up there with Christmas.
Yes. I just can't stop. I keep telling myself, maybe you've got enough wool, maybe you don't need to do any more, and I keep going because I just love it so much.
Hello, I'm Midnight. Where do I do the question?
Wider, so it's a bigger container than the Tupperware box. Maybe we'll get Tupperware advertising now.
Yeah.
Well, my name is Oliver Henry. I work for Jamieson Smith, Shetland Wool Brokers, and this is the story of my 50 plus years in Shetland Wool.
Betty Moat is a name you might recognise. So if that's not a Shetland woman who's worthy of a song, I don't know who is. Here for you now is Betty Moat's Sang.
I mind it just like yesterday, the sad spray is still there.
Are you a knitter, Gary? No.
Oh, but you can.
Eens a poor came to her crew. She was cold and fainting. This was all she would say when asked what she was wanting. Hey, you only more do, and hey, you only meer o' it. Hey, you only benny pluckings, but I could hear o' it.
Tam-tara, tam-tam-tari, de tree de snø, den ned og fly, en tam-tam-tari, en tam-tam-tara.